Look at her mom beating on the bobs.
This will look decent now. We're going to get a picture in a minute. There we go, get a picture of me and Mum's.
Lean her backwards all the way.
Lean back. Lean back.
I think she's still looking for her. Look at her. She's trying to suck your finger.
No, she's got bad wind. She's guzzled that too much.
La Bob.
See, she's in pain. What's her name?
She's so much in pain, she's yawning.
Yeah,
Look, she's one more. I'm telling you.
Hold on. Hey!
Look,
See, one more.
Look, freaking. She's you. There's no denying of her. Even if she was like anything. Was that you or her?
It's her. She's shouting.
Yeah, look at that little lip.
Why are you shouting this eye?
What?
I wonder if I'm going to put
I think she wants more.
Watch, I'm going to try some.
Record this thing.
She'll not eat it.
No, I won't record that.
Hold on.
Should I stop? How is you with that?
Something's sore, like bricks. I want her to take some. I don't know.
Hola, baby.
I'd love her to take some, but she won't. But I'm thinking sometimes just a lick will stop her actually eating so much. Because that's too much. She hates it too. Come on.
I'm fucking here.